The value of the IRC to the Educational Research Centre, which is my institute in Ireland, there's a few things. One of the big ones that comes to mind is the value to the staff of the ERC. We have a lot of researchers here, including younger researchers and more junior researchers, who wouldn't all normally have the chance to go to a big conference like this at the same time. It's also a great chance for the staff of the ERC to learn from leading experts in the field, to take part in workshops and talk to colleagues in other countries, and generally, get involved in the IEA community and all the work that goes on. It's also great for us to be able to bring the IEA community to Ireland this year, and to show off Ireland in the summertime at its finest, and to be able to bring friends and colleagues from different countries here after a couple of years of very little travel and very few chances to meet up. So it's really great to be able to reconnect with people at this year's IRC.